All right, team, working on the neighbor's mower. The complaint was no matter how much they tightened up this bolt, the blade wouldn't spin around, or didn't spin around very good. If you see this keyway up here, on this collar they broke, should be the other half. You can see it down in the bottom there. You can see it right there. That's the bottom of it. It would have come up the side, but the side's missing. So no matter how much you tighten up the bolt, when you put this on, that rectangle would have slid up into here. But no matter how much you tighten up the bolt, it's just going to spin around because that key's not there to keep it together. So what most likely happened is they hit a rock maybe, or a stump like I hit the other day. And instead of bending the blade and stopping the mower, it shattered this. The solution would be to get a new one of these. But I don't know what he wants to do. It can't be a very expensive part, probably less than 20 bucks. We'll see what he wants to do.